Yo, my brows are black. They're thick and they're black. You know what? I'm not mad at them. They're a little bit outgrown. They're a little bit thicker than usual, but that's all right. That's all right. We can work with them. It gives me a smaller forehead, so. I'm back. And guess what we're doing today? First impressions. I know, right? Fine. No, honestly, don't click out of this video. I need the views. These type of videos are just an excuse for me to go out and spend money on makeup that I really don't need. But in this particular video, I didn't buy any of this. The good old people over at Octoly sent all these goodies to me. So shout out to you, Octoly. So first, we're gonna need to color correct my ugly, discolored face. Okay, I'm gonna color correct using my Go Pro Concealer. Y'all don't care, I'm gonna skip over this part. It's not that important. And I put color corrector all over my face. So that's brilliant. And I forgot to put primer before I put my color corrector. Whatever, we're just not gonna put primer today. For foundation today, we are going to be using Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation in the color 520 Suede W. Now, funny story about this foundation, I used it a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago, and I hated it. But that was when my skin was more on the oily side. I don't know what the hell is happening to my skin as I'm getting older, but now I'm normal. So maybe I might like this a little bit better. We'll see. Let me show you the bottle. It's so pretty. And then look at the top. Isn't it so cute? It's like a little flower thingy. I don't know if y'all can see that. Whatever. So for coverage purposes, I'm gonna go in with my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush F80 just to make sure I'm giving it a fair chance on how much coverage it has, because if I go in with my beauty blender, it's gonna suck up all the foundation and make it maybe a medium to very light coverage. So we're being fair today. And I know this is my color because I took a guess. Ooh. I feel like this has more of a green undertone. Can y'all see that? It has more of a green undertone.
You stupid.
Rather than a warm undertone, which is more golden. For coverage wise, it's medium coverage. It's not the fullest of coverage, but I don't mind. Yo, my skin underneath this foundation is screaming right now. I haven't done my skincare in about a week because I wanted to film a really thorough deep cleaning skincare routine, which I'm gonna do after this video, and my skin underneath here is just horrendous. We're going to move on. Next we have the YSL All Hours Concealer in the color 6 Mocha. Let's just establish this right now. If Octoly wouldn't have sent me this, I would not be able to afford this, so thank you, Octoly. So I'm gonna use this concealer as I would normally use this. Okay, so consistency I'm okay with. Coverage is there. Barely. How much comes out of this at a time is not enough. I'm very heavy-handed, and this, I don't know what it is. Maybe this little stopper thing in there is stopping too much concealer from being on the doe foot applicator. I don't know. Oh, the doe foot. It's scratchy. It's scratched me all over the place, and I'm very sensitive when it comes to like things on my face, so the scratchiness on that, not okay, because my Maybelline Fit Me concealer is so much softer, and that one is about $5–6. This, I think it's $30. So YSL, don't know about all that. Minor adjustments, but overall, when I blend it out, we're gonna see about coverageability, but so far, it's more light medium. Does that make sense? I don't think it makes sense, but. So moving on to cream contouring. I don't have a new product for this, so I'm pretty much just going to fast forward through this or skip over this, whatever. Ooh, 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 no, things are falling. Okay, we got that situated. My face is contoured to a good standard, to a standard of my liking. So let's move on to blending out this concealer, which I feel like is not going to have enough coverage. Yeah, that didn't do much right there. Let's add some more, because this is typically what I would do. I'll let it dry down and add some more. So let's see if maybe this might work. If y'all hear my family in the background, I am so sorry. They're just really loud for no apparent reason. They just like to use their outside voices 24/7. I don't know if they have an inside voice. I've never heard it. So I'm sorry if you can hear them in the background, but I can't do nothing about it. Nope. Is this concealer like matte? A matte concealer? First of all, let's establish something. YSL did that with their All Hours foundation. I freaking love that foundation. Your girl only got a sample, but I loved it, and it's literally one of my ride or dies foundation. Listen, that foundation lasted about 12 hours. That foundation is fan-freaking-tastic. But this concealer right here, I'm utterly confused. I don't think I've ever put on a concealer that's dried down 100%. My under eyes feel dry. And maybe it's just in my head, but I look gray. Maybe it wasn't a thick enough coverage. Maybe let's add one more layer, because usually that's what happens if my darkness from underneath is peeping through. Even though I color corrected, it usually tends to be gray. It's still gray. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye using my Mercier translucent powder. I'm just gonna set really lightly because I have a feeling that if I go in with the same amount of powder as I usually do, I'm about to be drier than the Sahara Desert, sis. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, because the next thing that I do have that's new is my highlighter and my eyeliner and lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna be right back so we can test out those other products. So you girls got a new blush. I'm going to be trying out the Mercier blush color infusion in the color Rose. To look at the color, I don't know if this is going to blush my black eyes. You know what? Let's just try it. I'm going ham.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck is that? Ah!
I mean, there is a color, but it's not. Look what happens when I dip once. Do you see anything? Because I don't. This blush is not for me. The color is not for me. If they had a berry color, I would stand. But this color, not for me. Moving on to highlighter. Listen, this was literally God, because I was planning on buying this product with my own money, and then it popped up on Octoly. I was like, look at God. It's the Mercier medium deep translucent glow powder. I saw Makeup Shayla using this, and I was like, oh my god, I need it now. It also came with the brush. Looks like this. It kind of reminds me of the Fenty Beauty brush, but it's just a little different. So I don't even have a Fenty Beauty. I don't even have any Fenty Beauty. Well, I have one Fenty Beauty product. It's not just so upsetting. Am I supposed to coat the whole thing? Oh snap, that's too much. That's too much.
Wow, this is amazement.
Listen, this powder, it's not even a glow powder. This is literally a highlight. Why am I using this brush? Is no, it's canceled. It's too big. I don't like it. No. I'm gonna use my highlighting brush if I can fucking find it. There it is. Ooh, this is fucking fantastic. This color is just lovely. Ugh, that brush fucked me up right here. Ugh, that brush is too big for my small ass face. I don't like it.
Look at me.
Laura Mercier, you done did it again. Oh, I love this powder. Oh my god. Moving on to the second to last new thing that I have is this eyeliner. It came in a BoxyCharm box. I think it was the September issue. It's the Butter London Stroke Wow Roll-On eyeliner.
Wow.
It has a tiny little ball at the top.
Ooh.
And it's supposed to make it easier to do your eyeliner. And let me tell you, I haven't done eyeliner in probably about a year, maybe 2. I love the way I look with eyeliner, but listen, perfecting that wing, too much work, too much precision that I do not have. My hands are 99% of the time shaking because I love my coffee. So eyeliner is just a no for me, but we're gonna try it out anyways for this video. So I'm scared. Okay, let's go. This is not making it easier at all. This is hard. And then once I roll it on there, how am I supposed to fill it in? Like, do I just roll back and forth? Or do I like do tapping? I'm so confused. I don't, I don't like that eyeliner. Look at it. That's not working. That's too hard. I understand the concept. I see where you're going, but it's a no for me, dog. The last thing is our lip product. I have been looking for a true, beautiful, stunning red. Usually all the reds are like really bright. They just don't look right on me. They're just really too bright. They don't have the right blue undertone. They don't have the berry undertone that I like. And sometimes they just make my teeth look yellow, and I don't, So I haven't found a red that I like, but I did see this red. It's from Colourpop. It's a ultra matte lip. It's called Avenue K. So let's see if I like it. This red is really pretty. I think I found my red. I know I did mess up around here. I'm gonna go clean it up in just a second, but I think your girl found her red. I think I found my red. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye with a different eyeliner, pop on some lashes, do my hair, and then we're gonna come back for my final thought. I don't think I'm gonna do a wear test because, wait. I hate my makeup right now. This concealer messed everything up for me. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but this concealer, it's separating up here. It doesn't have enough coverage down here, so it looks gray. And then around my mouth as well, it looks gray because it doesn't have enough coverage, even after I color corrected. On my forehead, it looks fine. And then for my texture, it gave me texture I didn't even think I had. I'm just utterly confused. This jeez. And I know somebody in the comments is gonna be like,
well, it's because you haven't done your skincare in a week.
Let me clarify something. What I meant when I said I didn't do my skincare routine for a week, it means that I didn't exfoliate and I haven't done a mask. I've been cleansing my face and putting moisturizer, and that's it. And to make things even better, I wore makeup about 2 days ago and I looked fantastic. So I know for a fact it's not my skin, it's this concealer. I don't understand how this concealer could be so expensive but works so horribly on me. I freaking loved the All Hours foundation for myself, but this concealer is just, it's a no for me. It literally messed up my base. My foundation looked so good before I put this concealer on top. I don't like it at all. I look horrendous. As for the foundation, I loved it, which is surprising because I hated it, but I guess that's because my skin has changed. It's more normal now, so it does look really good around my forehead and stuff, and like the parts where I didn't apply the concealer, it looks really good, so that's good about that. The lip, I love. Oh my god, I stan. This is the red I've been looking for like forever. As for the blush, I love Laura Mercier. It just wasn't dark enough. Just simple as that. It wasn't dark enough. It didn't really do anything. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all what lashes I'm wearing. I'm wearing my favorite lash company, if you don't know this by now, Officialsby lashes in the style Flirty Girl. I haven't tried this style on and I freaking love it. Look at my eyes. Don't they look fabulous? Yes, they do. You don't even have to answer. As for the eyeliner, I hate it. I see where they were going, trying to make it easier to apply eyeliner, but that was just way too difficult. This, nope. And this concealer, no. Absolutely not. Nope. That's that on that. If you guys enjoyed this video, which I didn't, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section below. And for the love of makeup and all things girly, please subscribe and stay tuned for your next video. Bye guys.